V1, I got V1 here in the first case. See here, velocity. I told you already, acceleration is nothing but a increasing, speed is increasing. Deceleration is nothing but a speed is decreasing. Yes, from seeing that, by seeing the diagram only you can observe, Nana, you can decide. By seeing the diagram only you can observe, Nana. You can identify from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, it is accelerating. Accelerating is nothing but a speed is increasing. So up to here speed was increased. Is it okay, Nana? Now after that, from here to in this way, from then after this time, after this point, it is not. It is going to decelerate. Decelerate is nothing but a. Tell me, Nana. Decelerate nothing but a.
Decreasing of speed.
Decreasing.
Decreasing. Yes, speed is decreasing. Very good, Nana. So speed is decreasing. Speed is decreasing, nothing but a. So from here, yes, suppose 10 meter by second. Then after this, yes, how much it is?
9.
Less than 10 meter. Yes, less than 10 meter by second. Less than. It is not more than, not equal. It is definitely less than the 10 meter by second. So the maximum, he mentioned one word. What is the maximum velocity? So maximum, where is the maximum? At here? At here, is there any maximum value of velocity? No. Zero.
No.
At here, maximum velocity? No. It is
No.
going to be rest. It's a given. It is at here. Yes, it is increasing. It is more than from at here. From at here, what the velocity? More than this one at here. But at here only it is having maximum velocity. So that maximum velocity at here only it is having maximum velocity. So that's why V1 is our answer. So yes, V1 is our answer. I calculated. Automatically I calculated. I didn't discuss anywhere but a maximum. But it is maximum. So answer is V1 is equals to alpha beta T by alpha plus beta. Yes, which option it is?
D.
Option D is the correct answer. Right now, check it once. That's only, but check it once. Right now. Right? Like this, you must calculate you must solve the problems. This is the way of solving of problems under the kinematics. Very important question, Anna. Who asked this one? Very good, Nana. Yes, they are not saying anything. But in the question, maximum velocity, retardation, acceleration, increasing, decreasing. So, and yes, there are two different situations. For two different situations, we have to be calculate a different way. So, like that, there is a yes. It is a very good question, Anna. Yes, which this is asked in which year, Nana?
Sir,
In which year it was?
1994.
1994.
94.
1994, I think it is an AEEE question. Now it is JEE mains. Yes, I think it is a AEEE question in the 1994 IIT JEE mains examination. It was asked. Very good question, Anna. There are total up to now what we have discussed. Based on that, we have used all the concepts. What is acceleration? What is deceleration? What is retardation? Where we are using those things, and what are the equations of motion? Which equation of motion we have to be used? So, what is the problem solving method? So everything was discussed in this particular question only. Right, Nana? Very good. Yes, take a screenshot, Nana. Right now, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, Nana. Shall I go for further discussion? Take a screenshot, Nana. Shall I go for further discussion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right, Nana. Right, Nana. Very good. Very good. Actually, yes. More 5 minutes is there. 40 minutes completed. More 5 minutes is there. Already 40 minutes completed. Right, Nana. Someone asked me, yes, sir, sending the questions. Are you not in the WhatsApp group? Navadeep. Nana, Navadeep. 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 Yes, Nana. Respond. Nana, Manideep. Navadeep. Manideep. Manideep. Nana, Manideep. Korutla Manideep. Nana, Ram Sai. Ram Sai. Ajay.
Sir,
Yes, respond. Yes. Are you getting the questions through WhatsApp?
yes, sir.
Yes, you don't worry. Right. Nana, remaining all Ram Sai, Durga Prasad.
Sir, yes, said I am only, sir. Ram.
Ram Sai only. Very good, Nana. Very good. Okay, right. Ram Sai, very good, Nana. Right. Just keep it up. Next. Durga Prasad. Durga Prasad. Nana, Durga Prasad. Nana, Durga Prasad. Vignesh.
Sir,
Respond to my. Right. Vignesh. Who is speaking out? Who is Nana?
I'm Vignesh.
Vignesh.
Vignesh. Vignesh, tell me, Nana.
Sir.
Are you getting the questions to WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. Yes,
How
sir.
many of you? How many of you did that? How many of try the solution for solution? How many of the questions? How many from those questions you tried for the solutions? Nana. Vignesh. Bhattu Vignesh is there. Tekmala Vignesh is there. Who is speaking with me? Anna, just I'm asking. I'm not just only I'm asking. Where is the problem? Suppose if the class is going on very speed, then I will decrease my speed. Now suppose if he's in accelerated motion, definitely I was turned it into decelerated motion, retardation. For that purpose only I'm asking, Nana. I think this one understood or what I'm saying? If I'm going in the accelerated motion, then I will convert it into decelerated motion. For that purpose only I'm asking.
Sir, you are moving with constant acceleration.
Constant acceleration. Very good, Nana. Very good. I'm moving with constant acceleration, huh? Not accelerated,
Yes,
not decelerated. Only constant acceleration. Very good, Nana. Thank you very much.
yes, sir.
Yes, in your answer only is there. What is going on here? Everything you are clear.
Yes, sir.
Right, Nana? Yes, very
Right.
good, Nana. What's your name, Nana? Good name.
Chandu, sir. Chandu.
Chandu Patel.
Sir.
Yes, Chandu Patel. Very good, Nana. Yes, what I am asking, I think you understood. That's why you are saying what I am discussing here. You are getting everything. That's it.
Yes, sir.
In your answer,
Everything
in your
is clear, sir.
yes, in your single answer, there is a total discussion, Nana. Right. Very good, Nana. Very good.
Okay,
I am going in the constant accelerated motion. Right. Okay, Nana. Right. Is there any? Nana, discuss with me. Just a little bit. 2 minutes. 2 minutes is there. You don't worry, Nana. Rakshita, Sudeshna, Akshaya, Lakshita, some more. Tell me, Nana. Suppose if I forget, you don't worry. Don't feel, Nana. Your so many members are there. That's why just I'm. What are the names displaying it here? I am those names are I'm calling only. Nana, don't feel. Everyone, please interact with me. You don't worry. If you want any clarification, yes,